Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 NauticStar 243. Let's go ahead and take a walk around and check it out. So as you can see, this hull having a black main primary color matched with the white hull gives this boat a really awesome look, matched up with our black powder coated ski tower. First of all, it gives the boat a really sporty look and makes it very versatile for any kind of water sports. Power in this bad boy is a 250 horsepower Yamaha SHO. This is one of the high output motors that's really going to get you down the lake, some of that storm chasing power, and it's paired up with a 3-blade stainless steel prop. Great combination for anybody that's looking for a real good hole shot. Stepping into the main area of this boat, taking a look at the stern here, and man, this is a great wraparound seating. Very versatile boat, can sit plenty of people, whole family around. This is truly a great boat for anybody looking to go out with the family, whether that's to fish or do any kind of water sports. This boat right here can do it all. Over here on our starboard side, we have a in-house sink. Now this is great for if you ever need to wash anything off, use it as a bar, or clean up any fish that you may have taken on board. Now you'll notice this vessel has a ton of cup holders, and we love cup holders because we love drinks. So it's always great to have that option. Now, paired up on this boat, we have a battery switch that makes killing the power on the boat very easy and in a very great location. All you got to do is come over here and turn her on and she's ready to go. Walking up here to the captain's chairs, as you can see, we have two here. This is a really awesome option for anybody that may be watching people behind and being a spotter for water sports of any kind, or just looking to conversate with everybody in the boat. They both rotate 360 degrees. They have flip-up bolsters, making any viewing really easy. And these are super comfortable bolstered seats, making cornering and any kind of activity comfortable on the water. This vessel is equipped with a head unit here, and this is great for whenever you're out on the water and need a little bit extra storage, or for anybody that's looking to have a bathroom break. Moving up to the bow area here, this is one of the greatest features about this NauticStar. Not only can you have a center walkthrough, but you can have a full lounger out here, making it really easy to lay around. Now, that's included with forward facing and aft facing. This makes just a very versatile platform. Could fit a lot of people up here. You have 2 speakers included up here, along with 4 cup holders. So plenty of room for the whole crowd to hang around and get plenty of seating and be comfortable as possible. If you notice out there on the bow area, we have a dedicated anchor storage, making access to that anchor extremely easy and seamless. And it's nice to have a dedicated storage just so your anchor is not getting in the way of your other items. Another awesome, great feature, we have a ladder on the bow of this boat. This is great for if you're swimming out on sandbar, you need to get into the boat quickly. You can either board from the stern or the bow. So very versatile boat. This is a great option. All right, guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a vessel you'd like to hear more information about, please contact me at Lake Wylie Marina. Thank you for watching.